Hi, I'm Joel Torres. I am the owner and founder of South Shore Cebu Ticketing Office. We have airlines and ferry ticketing in Cebu City. So today I'm gonna show you on how to rebook your canceled flight ticket with Cebu Pacific Air. So this is the current flight booking of our customer, August 7, and this is the new one, August 28, 2020. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more tutorials. First, go to google.com and then search Cebu Pacific. Okay, so the first result is the official website of Cebu Pacific. Please click. Alright, this is the official website. At the top right side, there's guest and sign in button. If you have account or you want to sign up, please sign up. If you don't want, just click the manage booking at the middle. That's it. So now we have to enter your details. Go to your booking reference number, that one, just like this. Copy that and enter the reference number, and then put your last name and then continue. Alright, this is the status of the flight of our customers, just canceled. At this time is pandemic, so it's normal. Other airlines canceled and canceled. So we have three options: rebook or reroute flight, convert to travel fund, or refund. So we're going to rebook this ticket. So please select new flight. And then okay. So the current booking is Manila to Butuan, August 7, 2020. So our customer told me that she wants August 28. So we're going to check the August 28 if still available. Okay, just click August, the desired date, and then search flights. Okay, here is the calendar, and here is the available flight on August 28. Oh, the August 28 is available, so we have to select this flight. Okay, you can read more about the fares. So since this is airline canceled, or the airline canceled this trip, so there's no fees. So just continue and click yes. Alright, so then we have to review your booking before we confirm. So the current booking is Manila to Butuan, August 7, and then the new booking is Manila to Butuan, August 28. So you have to read. Okay, and then if everything is okay, then click continue. Alright, your booking is now confirmed. So we have a new ticket. So click view itinerary. So you can review again the new ticket. So as you can see, the status is confirmed. The date is Friday, August 28, Manila to Butuan. So that's it. Very, very simple. Very quick and easy and simple to rebook your ticket. Alright. It's very, very, very simple. You don't need to go to travel agencies or ticketing outlets or to call the call centers. You don't need to do that. Just do it to yourself via online and follow and watch this tutorial. Okay, so now you're going to save your new ticket. We as ticketing agents, we rename. So just put your name on it, and then you can save it to downloads, documents, or desktop. Alright. Very easy to rebook. If you want more tutorials like PAL, Cebu Pacific, AirAsia, we will upload soon in how to book, how to